So guys, till now we have constructed triangles using sum of two sides and difference of two sides. Now comes the turn of constructing a triangle using its perimeter. And this is the last and final topic of this chapter. To get you going, let me remind you that as for the real world applications, most of the monuments around you that are more than a century old and some of the recent architectures use construction techniques that we have been learning. Now let's jump straight to the topic without any delay. This time you have to construct a triangle using its perimeter and two base angles. Firstly, let me tell you the sequence of steps to be followed to finish the construction. After that, we will construct a triangle and verify its construction. Let's say we have to construct a triangle, say ABC, and we are given the base angles, angle B and angle C, and the perimeter AB plus BC plus CA. So we have two types of information here. One is the perimeter and the other is the two base angles. There are only four major steps that you have to follow. Firstly, draw a line segment XY equal to the perimeter AB plus BC plus CA. Next, draw the base angles at the endpoints of the line segment. Say angle LXY equal to angle B and angle MYX equal to angle C. Remember that for the entire construction, we are only using a ruler and a compass. The next step is to bisect these angles. The bisectors will intersect at a point A. Finally, draw the perpendicular bisectors of AX and AY. The bisector PQ intersects the base XY at B and the bisector RS intersects the base XY at C. Join AB and AC. So here we have the triangle ABC. See, it is that simple. You just have to follow four basic steps. Step 1. Draw the line segment equal to the perimeter. Step 2. Draw the given base angles at the endpoints of the line segment. Step 3. Bisect these angles and name their intersection point. And step 4. Draw the perpendicular bisectors of the line segments joining the base and the intersection point of the angle bisectors. Thus, you get the required triangle. Now let's check how much you have understood. You have to construct a triangle ABC in which angle B is 30 degrees, angle C is 90 degrees and AB plus BC plus CA is 11 centimeters. Take your time and be right back. I hope you got the triangle. If not, let's construct it together. Firstly, using a ruler, draw a line segment XY equal to 11 centimeters. Next, at X, construct an angle LXY of 30 degrees and at Y, an angle MYX of 90 degrees using a compass. Now, bisect these angles. The bisectors of these angles intersect at the point A. Next, draw the perpendicular bisector of AX. Name it as PQ. Let PQ intersect XY at B. Then, draw the perpendicular bisector of AY. Name it as RS. Let RS intersect XY at C. Join AB and AC. So, ABC is the required triangle. Observe that B lies on the perpendicular bisector of AX. Therefore, XB is equal to AB. Similarly, CY is equal to AC. This means AB plus BC plus CA now becomes XB plus BC plus CY, which is simply XY. And this is what exactly we have drawn as the base. Further, in triangle AXB, angle BAX is equal to angle AXB. And why? Because the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. And here, XB is equal to AB. Also, using the exterior angle property, we get angle ABC is equal to angle AXB plus angle BAX. As both the angles on the right hand sides are equal, angle ABC can be written as angle AXB plus angle AXB, which is simply 2 times angle AXB. Now name this equation 1. We know that angle LXY is twice the angle AXB because we got the angle AXB on bisecting the angle LXY. Name this equation 2. Now on comparing both the equations 1 and 2, we get angle ABC is equal to angle LXY. Similarly, we can prove that angle ACB is equal to angle MYX. So the justification is done. So guys, I hope you understood the construction well and will try constructing more triangles on your own. Now let's quickly summarize what we have learned so far. To construct a triangle ABC using its perimeter AB plus BC plus CA and 2 base angles, angle B and angle C, firstly, draw the line segment XY of length equal to the perimeter. Secondly, at X, construct an angle LXY equal to angle B, and at Y, construct an angle MYX equal to angle C using a compass. Then bisect these angles. The bisector of these angles intersect at a point A. Lastly, draw a perpendicular bisector of AX to intersect the base XY at point B and a perpendicular bisector of AY to intersect the base XY at point C. Join AB and AC. ABC is the required triangle.